Hi everyone, my name is Marcus Gagnick with Buywork.com, and I'm here today in Citadel Landing, Port Coquitlam, to take you on an exclusive look at the new Port Mann Bridge that's being constructed. It's to be completed by 2013, so I hope you enjoy our look at the bridge today. As you can see, construction is well underway here, with the bridge deck being suspended from both sides of the towers. Here we are with a view of the old bridge and the new bridge under construction. And here you can see the two main towers the bridge supports under construction.